Just
Oh my
like that.
gosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
Now that's going to take the pressure off your atlas. Yeah, you're still kicking.
Was that as loud for everyone else as it was for me?
Yeah.
Oh my
The only thing that
gosh.
would make you more popular is if you were a screamer. I think we needed this today. Look at you. There you go. That a girl. Got one more here and feel it. There, okay. So adjust your shoulders, your clavicles. And I am adjusting her ribs, gentlemen. You know, they always think I'm adjusting something else when I'm going here. But I do that on men too. There you go. Good.
Oh my gosh.
All right.